SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to filter unknown senders on iPhone 15 Pro. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you have a lot of text message conversations in the Messages app on your iPhone, then it might be a little tedious to scroll through all those conversations until you find the one that you actually want. This can often be due to a number of message conversations from unknown numbers, so one way that you can organize these is by choosing to filter unknown senders. What this does is it splits up all of your message conversations into two groups. One of known senders, which are the people that you have saved in your phone as contacts, and one of unknown senders, which are people who you don't have saved as contacts. You can enable this feature by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Messages option from this list of options. And then you can scroll all the way down again until you find the Filter Unknown Senders option under Message Filtering. Now you just need to turn this setting on. Now you can go back to the Messages app, and now where it had previously said Edit before, it's going to say Filters now. So if you tap on Filters, then you're going to see all the different categories that you can now use to view your messages. You can see everything under All Messages, or you can see only the message conversations with your contacts, or you can see only the messages from people that you don't have saved as contacts, or you can view only the message or conversations that contain unread messages.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.